Choosing the right pair of hiking shoes is the most critical decision you'll make for the trail. Your footwear is the foundation of your adventure, directly impacting your comfort, stability, and endurance. From rugged mountains to gentle trails, we've tested the top models for traction, support, and durability. Don't step out again before seeing our essential list and finding your perfect match.
Product number 1. Columbia Women's Newton Ridge Plus Waterproof Amped Hiking Boot. The Columbia Newton Ridge Plus Waterproof Amped is a superb choice for hikers seeking an excellent blend of performance and value, especially for light to moderate trails. This boot delivers out-of-the-box comfort, often feeling more like a sturdy sneaker than a stiff hiking boot, minimizing the dreaded break-in period. Columbia's signature Omni Grip rubber outsole provides reliable traction on varied terrain, including loose gravel and hard-packed dirt. The boot features an updated leather and mesh upper with seam-sealed construction, offering dependable waterproofing to keep feet dry through unexpected rain and shallow stream crossings. Its lightweight Tech-Lite midsole provides superior cushioning and high energy return, ensuring long-lasting comfort without excessive bulk. While it offers good ankle support, those tackling very technical or heavily loaded backpacking trips might prefer a more rigid, high-end option. Product number 2. Merrell Men's Moab 3 Hiking Shoe. The Merrell Moab, mother of all boots, has been a fan favorite for years, and the Moab 3 continues this legacy by prioritizing unparalleled out-of-the-box comfort and support. This low-cut version is ideal for day hiking and fast and light adventures on well-maintained to moderate trails. The shoe features a durable pigskin leather and mesh upper, which strikes a solid balance between protection and breathability, making it a fantastic choice for warmer climates. Underfoot, the new, more supportive Kinetic Fit Advanced Footbed and Merrell Air Cushion in the heel provide excellent stability and shock absorption. Equipped with the Vibram TC5 Plus outsole, the Moab 3 delivers exceptional all-around traction. It is a slightly bulkier option compared to some modern trail runners, but its proven durability and supportive structure make it a dependable workhorse for the average hiker. Product number 3. Merrell Women's Moab 3 Hiking Shoe. Tailored specifically for women's feet, the Merrell Moab 3 offers the same legendary comfort and versatility as the men's version. This shoe is a powerhouse for day hikes, casual backpacking, and general outdoor wear, requiring virtually no break-in period. It features a plush, padded tongue and collar combined with a supportive Kinetic Fit Advanced footbed, ensuring a snug yet comfortable fit right away. The durable leather and breathable mesh upper provide reliable wear and good ventilation for hot weather excursions. Traction is assured with the Vibram TC5 Plus outsole, offering confidence-boosting grip on slippery and uneven surfaces. It's a stable and protective choice, though its slightly heavier design might be a consideration for those focused purely on speed or ultra-long distance treks. An excellent, budget-friendly option for hikers prioritizing comfort and reliability. Product number 4. Columbia Men's Transverse Hike Waterproof Boot, Mid-Height. The Columbia Men's Transverse Hike Waterproof Boot is designed for hikers who want a mid-height boot that feels lightweight and nimble, offering enhanced ankle support without the stiffness of traditional heavy-duty boots. Featuring OmniTech waterproof breathable construction, this boot is highly effective at keeping your feet dry while allowing moisture vapor to escape. The upper combines leather and textile for a rugged yet flexible feel. A standout feature is the Tech-Lite Plus lightweight midsole, which provides excellent long-lasting cushioning and energy return, reducing fatigue over long miles. The Omni Grip non-marking traction rubber outsole is designed to provide aggressive grip on a variety of trails. It's a great versatile boot for day hiking and light backpacking on diverse terrain, especially where quick movement and sure-footedness are valued. Product number 5. Columbia Men's Transverse Hike Waterproof Shoe, Low Cut. This low-cut version of the Columbia Transverse Hike maintains the series' commitment to lightweight performance and reliable waterproofing in a more agile package. Perfect for faster hiking, trail walking, or mixed-use environments where you need traction and weather protection in a shoe, not a boot. It uses the same Omni-Tech waterproof membrane and leather textile upper as its mid-hike counterpart, ensuring dry feet in wet conditions. The foundation is built on the bouncy Tech Light Plus midsole for superior underfoot comfort and responsiveness. The Omni Grip outsole provides robust traction, allowing for confident footing on everything from city sidewalks to muddy trails. Hikers will appreciate the sneaker-like comfort and minimal break-in, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer the freedom and flexibility of a low-cut hiker.